Hey, what's going on, everyone? Devin Canup here, CEO of Become Viral. And inside of this one, I'm going to tell you how to make 6 figures off of your YouTube channel. So, me making this video, I am just recording this because I just had a mentorship call with one of my newer students inside of my program. And it was very interesting for me because I don't really do a whole lot of mentorship calls anymore. I'm very focused on building my business. My companies did over $160,000 last month, combined revenue, and it is not profit, but we were very profitable. And with that being said, my priorities are completely different now than they used to be. And it's very interesting talking to someone that's like just getting into YouTube. And the reason why it's interesting is because this year alone, I think we started up like 12 YouTube channels. And since we started up so many channels, I have such a different outlook on the production and how to actually get results and how to grow YouTube channels now these days than I used to even, let's say, 6 months ago or a year ago. And so this video is an accumulation of kind of like, where it just is, what is the problem that holds most people back from getting results? So I'm going to keep it like very straightforward with you guys. The reason why you're probably not getting results on YouTube, like 90% of you guys aren't getting results, is because you don't have videos going up on your YouTube channel or you're not being consistent. So if you are not consistently uploading, let's say every single week, or have a consistent upload schedule, like we usually start YouTube channels where they start uploading 2 videos a week. If you're not doing that part, then you are, you're already going to be blown out of the water and not be able to get results on YouTube. So priority number 1, if you're stuck, if you're lost, and you're like, I don't know what to do with my life, I don't know how to get results on YouTube, then the question is like, are you making videos? If you are making videos, okay, then this video is for you. Now the rest of it. If you aren't making videos, then I want you to stop watching this video and go make videos. Like, it doesn't need to be that complicated. There's like 1,000 buttons inside of the YouTube studio. There's like so many different like things that you can do. There's so many places to get lost. The biggest question is like, if you're lost, are you getting videos out? If you're getting videos out, then cool. Okay, cool. Let's talk and let's keep going and we'll help you out with this. If you're not getting videos out, then go figure that out. You know, go come up with some video ideas. It doesn't matter if they're pretty. Just get content out, start the process, and then you need data and inputs back to be able to kind of consistently improve and do better and better. And it's okay. It's going to be embarrassing when you get started. That's how it is for everybody. And then once you get past that stage, then this is where the rest of it kind of comes in. So now that you've kind of figured out how to get videos going out and you got that consistently going, so now this next stage of the process is very simply just become a fanatic. So I know I just kind of gloss over that really quickly and try to make it really seem really simple, but it is that simple. Just become obsessed with the destination that you want, which is like, yeah, you guys all probably want to become very financially successful off of your YouTube channel and be able to quit your job. So, okay, cool. Have that in the forefront or like in the back of your head as to like how you make decisions. But now the priority is like, how do you get people to care about what you make, and how do you get people to watch your videos, and how do you get a lot of views? Those should be the priorities. So it's like money. In order to make money, I need views. In order to get views, it's like, how do I make stuff that people want to watch? So it's kind of like the top down strategy on priorities. And then now that you got those priorities, so it's like, here, let's fill in the blanks. So I want to make $10,000 a month off of YouTube. Cool. Okay, so in order to make $10,000 a month off of YouTube, if you need about, let's say, anywhere from like 2 to 4 million views a month off of YouTube to make that much. Cool. All right, maybe 1 to 4 million views a month. Okay, so let's say it's like you got to get 3 million views a month, just for simple math. You need about 100,000 views a day. Okay, so how do we get 100,000 views? Now, basically, we just have to produce, essentially, like if we produce a 100,000 view video, every 1 out of every 3 videos, some of those are going to be million view videos, and some of them are just going to be that 100,000 view video. So with that being said, so obviously you got to produce some million view videos and some 100,000 view videos to consistently make $10,000 a month. So in order to get 100,000 views a video, you need to ask yourself, what deserves 100,000 views for a video in your niche or in niches that are similar to yours? So what you want to do is, let's say I'm trying to make $10,000 a month off of a hockey channel. So then what I would need to do is I would go and look at other niches like hockey. So I would look at basketball, I would look at football, I would look at baseball, I would look at soccer. Like basketball, football, and soccer are kind of like the main three on YouTube right now. Go look at those niches and ask yourself, what are people doing to have success in those niches and how can I apply it to hockey? And every single day, you should focus on how do I make a 100,000 view video in the hockey niche due to all, like, based off of all this data that I have in other niches. Like, go watch 100 videos, go watch 1,000 videos in the football niche, like soccer, football, and basketball niche. Go watch them all. Go find videos that are getting millions of views and then copy that over to your video. And that is it. Focus every single day. Now that you have the consistent production going, figure out what you need to make the videos the same. Figure out what they have that you don't have, that you need to improve on, and what they don't have that you need to get rid of inside of your video. And if you are doing an automated YouTube channel or a Faceless YouTube channel, you have other people doing the work for you, then you just need to ask yourself, are these people helping me get to my goal and my destination? And do they make my job really difficult, or are they consistently learning and consistently growing? If they're not someone that is an investment, if they're not an asset and they are a liability on your team, then you need to let them go and go find somebody else. If they're an asset, they're someone that consistently grows, they grow exponentially or they grow linearly, and at least they're consistently growing. The more time you put into them, the better that they do, and keep those people on your team. The people that communicate, the people that show up every single day, those are the people that you need to hire. And if you don't have those people on your team, then go spend as much time as needed to go find those people. And until you find that, then you can start to do that. If you're building the videos yourself, then you need to be very consistent and show up every single day and learn something new every single day and get better and better and apply what these other people that are successful into your channel. So that is what I got. That is it. Focus on that every single day. Ask yourself, are you getting videos out? And if you're getting videos out, do they deserve 100,000 views? If they don't deserve 100,000 views, then ask yourself, why not? What am I missing? What do I have that I shouldn't have? And you do that, and you will go and make multiple six figures off your YouTube channel. I know this isn't very tactical, like copy and paste this line of code into this page, and here's the secret hack or the secret formula, but simply put, that is it. Make really good videos. Have a clear objective that you're trying to work towards. $10,000 a month. Okay. 3 million views a month. Okay. I need 100,000 view videos out. It's not that hard. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the YouTube comments down below. I will not answer stupid questions. But other than that, I will see you guys all in the next one. Go watch my other stuff. It's really cool. Go check it out. But if you do actually want to go make money, I would turn this off and start producing stuff. So that's what I got. And thank you so much for your time. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.